Alright guys, welcome to Abandon. We are here at what seems to be a very, very large farm that's got its own little pond over here, barns, got some greenhouses that kind of collapsed, falling apart. So, pretty big place guys, let's get to it. This place is cleaned out, guys. Look at that. It's pretty dope, guys. Pretty dope. These could be possibly crystal. Fridge is obviously open. Nope. Got a hard time opening, not even gonna bother. Oh, that's kind of cool, guys. That looks like a little horse ranch where they would keep horses, like a little stable. There is the pond right behind the house. Pretty big closet for not even having been the master. And the closet. Not a bad little place for upstairs. Some history on this place though. I know it was built in, I think it was the early 80s. So, 80s, what happened? The house was vacated that I know of a couple years ago. Here's the old school stuff that candinas would have. Oh my god, there's power in the house. What? There's power in this house. That is very old school, guys. What the? There's got to be a sub pump down there. But this thing is cool, guys. This is like, I don't know. You guys can quote me if I'm wrong, but isn't this maybe like 60s, 70s, the old school washing machines? I think it is, but I don't know how these things work. I'm kind of curious. I'm not that curious. How do you open this? Is that how you open it? I think that's how you drain the water or the clothes, or I don't know. Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's really cool.
If you guys know what year those things were produced in, I don't have a clue, to be honest. So drop a comment down below if you think you know around the time frame those things were built. Guess I don't have to go in there that bad. It's probably the garage. There's the lights on still, guys. Well, we know they got power, so this is the next ultimate test to see in an abandoned house if there's running water. Oops. What? There's running water in this house. Wow. Huh. So we got power. We have running water. Let's go see what else we can find. I'm gonna start going outside because that's pretty much the house. We're gonna check out the barns and everything there. So let's take a peek around the property, guys, where we've seen what could have been a stable for horses. Fence is falling apart right over here, guys. Yeah, it definitely looked like horses were being kept in there. So very peaceful land too. out this barn first, and we'll go check out what's back there after, guys. See if we can get into the barn. An old TV just sitting out here. I don't even know how to open these. It's a bathroom in the barn, guys. Old school shower. Oh, look at that. I think that's a beehive up there. See that? That's definitely a beehive. I'm positive. I'm pretty sure it is. Huh. Is this another bedroom? This is the kitchen. Pretty small kitchen, guys. Storage room, I'm assuming. It's probably some storage area or something. What's with all these elastic bands? Huh. I think that's it for the barn, guys. Let's go outside and we'll go see the greenhouses and all that stuff. Ooh. Oh, it's all wet back here. Alright, let's see if I can get around this. Oh, it's all wet. Wet over here, guys. Well, Well, this must be where you put the water in to, yeah, all the hoses are there, guys, to water everything that's in here. So, it's a lot of property, guys, right there. That's owned. I think the property line, it goes way beyond those trees, guys. That I know for sure. I see balloons way down there. That is This is what I was trying to find. I heard rumors of it being here. This is a gas well that powers the entire farm. This is some cool stuff. This is what I'm dealing with, guys, when I'm walking around. Not stepping in this, but so much of it around here. Alright, guys, that's it for the end of the video. Pretty nice farm. Farm might add you with power. So it's pretty cool to explore. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And of course and always, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.